Hi everyone, thank you for being here. I have 3 poems. They're all related to nature and the little things that sometimes we just escape from, not our everyday lives. So poem number 1 is called The Creatures in Sight. I see them across my window, a family of 5. While Mama and Papa go get food, the children thrive. Come back, Miyagi! Tiny feet dance excited, mouths open right away. Bodies clap high and a very fluffy, furry joy reaches the sky today. I see them when I'm on dates. One night, another couple was swimming by, beautiful white outfits. In this tiny alley, I cry. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. The water opened its way. Was it their wedding day? The way they moved as one, their love was visibly magical. Perhaps tonight they'd make a son. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. I caught the vibe in my date's eyes. I see them when I go running, especially him. My heart pounds, barely resisting. Pure elegance, tall and slim. He echoes, while turning his head towards me. He models discreet. My sweat drips and I stop, just for a minute, to observe his dips. He echoes, tilting his head like a rainbow. I see them in crowds, gathered for an underground show. Tiny bubble surface, I see them glow. Look, 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 look. Such a cool sound must rage below. Ola Ola waves, their tiny bodies bring them to life as they move in sync inside the paused water tide. Blook, 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 blook. Glitter vibes are rocking their circus tonight. I see them, all of them, in different moments, and I grin. As a stranger lurking in the big glassy windows of Dutch homes, curiously peeking into their dives and strives, as if these waters were my own.